In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made $110 just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. And I'm gonna share with you step by step my method. I'm gonna share with you which services I was promoting on Pinterest, so you can just copy and paste my method and you can start making money with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, and for beginners, I'm gonna share with you step by step how you can start as a beginner. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, I made $110 just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links, and just in few minutes I made this commission just in few minutes. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to Fiverr affiliate and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google and search for Fiverr, then click on the first link over here and you need to sign up to Fiverr by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you can check this website and you get ideas about how much you will earn for each service you will promote. Fiverr affiliate is paying a good commission for his services. So what you need to join Fiverr affiliate, you just need to click over here on join now, and here you go. As you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private, and you will answer a few questions over here. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can choose yes or no. You can choose your country and you can choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype over here. If you don't have, just click on next and you will answer the next few questions, and that's, as you can see, it's really super easy. Okay, so after you finish your sign up process to Fiverr affiliate, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on a Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to Fiverr, to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you which service you need to promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. So what you need to do, this service will be a trending service, and this service will be about AI, because we know that AI is trending now. People are searching for AI tools, AI website, and so much more. That's why we will promote AI service on Pinterest. So click on the search over here and search for AI music video. Okay, search for this service, search for AI music video. Okay, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Okay, choose like level 1 seller, Fiverr choice, top rated seller. Those sellers are good sellers. Why you should choose good sellers? Okay, if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, if that makes sense. Okay, so let me choose one of those services. Okay, I'm gonna choose, for example, okay, let me see, will create stunning AI music video. I'm gonna choose this one, for example. This one is level 1 seller. He has 5 star. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. So copy his profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links like this. Okay, then click over here and put this Fiverr profile link seller here like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do is you need to copy this link from here and go Now what you need to do is you need to promote your affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest. You should create a business account on Pinterest, not personal account. Choose business account, go to Google, search for Pinterest, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process on Pinterest is super easy and simple. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Pinterest and choose business account. What you need to do is you need to click over here on create and click on create pin like this, and you will be directly in this page. Scroll down, put your affiliate link here like this. This is my affiliate link. What you need to do is you need to put your title, your description, and picture about this affiliate service. How you can do this? You can just go back to this seller page that you copy his profile link, and you can copy his title. Okay, so you are just an affiliate, you can use his information. Put this title, go to Pinterest, put this title over here. Description, let's go back to his profile page, scroll down. You can see over here about this gig, this is his description. Okay, I'm gonna just copy this, just this part to show you guys. Okay, go back to Pinterest, put this description here, picture, let's go back to his profile. Let me see. Okay, here is picture. Click on the picture like this, double click, save image. Okay, I'm gonna name it, for example, AI music. Save. Let's go to Pinterest, click on this icon over here and choose your picture like this, open, and here you go. This is your picture, this is your title, description, your affiliate link. What you need to do is you need to click over here on publish, and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. Okay, that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. As you can see, let me show you, and here you go. This is your affiliate link. As you can see, this is your affiliate link over here. This is the picture about your affiliate service, your title, and your description. Okay, so that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. It's really easy and simple. Okay, so after you finish promoting your affiliate links on Pinterest, make sure to promote more affiliate links. So you don't need to promote just one affiliate link, you need to promote more affiliate links so you can earn commission, so your chance to get commission will be high. Okay, and choose AI services if you because those AI services are trending now, and a lot of people are searching for AI tools, AI website, so this will be profitable for you. And that's all. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.